How to download voice message from Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download voice message from Messenger. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Messenger application and further open the conversation from where you want to download voice message from Messenger. Once opened, if you tap hold on the voice message, you will see various options, but you will not see the option to download voice message anywhere. So the alternative to download voice message is go ahead and screen record the voice message. To screen record, slide down from the right side of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, tap on the screen record option, and once the screen recording begins, start the voice recording, and once it finishes, stop the screen recording. Your screen recording will be saved to the photos, and this is just an alternative to download voice message from Messenger. You can go ahead and extract the audio from the video if you want. So this is how you can download message from Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.